Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to solve a beautiful number theory problem from the CMI Chennai Mathematical Institute MSc Data Science Entrance Examination 2026. Now, before we start, let me tell you why this question is special. The CMI entrance examination is well known for testing the deep conceptual understanding rather than the computational speed. And in the number theory, CMI often gives a simple looking divisibility condition and expects you to discover a hidden algebraic identity. So the key is not memorizing the formulas, it is recognizing the patterns. So today's problem is an excellent example of that thing. So first, let's read the question. Let P be a prime and N be a natural number such that P divides N square plus N plus 1. Find all possible reminders of N cube upon division by P. Okay. So let us first understand the whole thing. The statement P divides N square plus N plus 1, right? So this means mod P. Okay, so this is our only piece of the information. So whenever a question gives a um, conference, and our job is to like manipulate it until it resembles the quantity we want. So in this case, that is in cube. Okay, so remember our golden thing. A divides B means, okay, so many number theory problems become much easier once we rewrite them using the modular arithmetic. So whenever you see n square plus n plus 1, a mathematician immediately thinks of the identity. N cube minus 1, this is n minus 1 into n square plus n plus 1. So this identity is the hidden key to the entire problem, and CMI loves testing whether you can recognize such identities or not. So n2 minus 1 is what? N minus 1 into n square plus n plus 1. And since, so multiply both sides by n minus 1. Now using the identity, therefore we can say, so at this stage, it looks like the answer is simply 1. But before writing the final answer, we must check whether there are any exceptional cases. Okay. In number theory, always examine the small primes separately. So let us check p equal to 3. So the given condition becomes, now test the three possible residues modulo 3. Okay. Case 1. Then not divisible by 3. Then so this works. Now the case 3. Then does not work. So hence when p equal to 3, necessarily, and therefore, so even for the exceptional prime, the remainder is still 1, right? So notice how beautifully everything fits together. Even though we treated people to three separately, the answer did not change. So this is the common feature in the number theory. Special cases often confirm the general result rather than contradict it. Okay. Now, let us understand the deeper idea. The polynomial is closely related to the cube roots of the unity because, right? So, whenever we immediately get what? So this connection between the factorization and the modular arithmetic is one of the central ideas of the number theory. Okay, so whenever CMI gives a divisibility condition or the polynomial congruence, do not start calculating the residues immediately. Instead, rewrite it as a congruence and then search for a useful algebraic identity. Simplify the expression and then check the small exceptional primes only if necessary. Okay, so this strategy is extremely useful in CMI, right? So I hope clear. See you in the next session with a new question of the CMI MSc Data Science Entrance 2026 paper. Till then, bye bye.